Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious colorful fried rice packed with vegetables and absolutely delicious. So let's get into the video. First, I'll prepare my bell peppers. I'm using red, yellow and green bell peppers and I chop them into similar sizes. The reason I love using all three together is because of the color, the vibrant beautiful color, and also the natural sweetness and flavor that it adds to the rice. Next, I'll be cutting my carrots. Just like the bell peppers, I love to cut my carrots into similar sizes too, so that they will all cook evenly and look beautiful in the finished product. Next, I'll slice my spring onions. I wash these spring onions very well to remove all the sand and slice them as much as possible to match with the other shape of the vegetables. When I was done, I move on to slicing my green beans. The green beans is also optional. It's optional. If you don't want to use it, you can skip it, but I love to use green beans because of also the color and the flavor that it adds to the rice. Try as much as possible to slice your green beans the same size with the other vegetable, but you don't have to be perfect though. At the end, look at how beautiful my vegetables are. Now let's cook the rice. Add some coconut oil or vegetable oil into a pot. I forgot to film that, but all I use is some oil and onions. After adding the onions, I added a cube of Maggi, but this is optional. If you don't want to go through this process, you can just add your oil and go in with your rice. So I allowed this to fry so that it will release some flavors. Next, I added my rice and my curry powder for that vibrant yellow color that fried rice comes with. Then increase your heat to high and fry this rice for about 3 to 5 minutes. Have you ever fried your rice before cooking it? Please let me know in the comments. This step helps to keep the grains separate after cooking and gives the rice a better texture. Don't leave your rice unattended. Be stirring it occasionally as you're frying it to prevent your rice from burning. Once the rice is lightly fried, add your hot broth or stock. Here is a little tip. If you're using basmati rice, the liquid should just be slightly above the level of the rice because basmati rice doesn't need too much water. If you are using another type of rice, you may need a little more liquid. Cover the pot and allow this to cook on low heat until the rice is tender. While a rice is cooking, let's prepare a vegetable. In a pan, add oil. I'm also adding a drizzle of sesame oil for extra flavors, but you can skip this process. Allow this to heat up. Next, add your onions. Allow this to saute for a few seconds to release flavor, but if you're not an onions lover, you can skip this process. Next, add your carrots, your well diced carrots. Add your green beans. This takes longer period to cook. Then stir them for a few seconds and add your seasoning cube. Please let me know which vegetable will you not do fried rice with. Now add your bell peppers, your green, red and yellow bell peppers. Look at how beautiful this color are. Do you like your vegetables slightly crunchy or soft? Next, add some garlic to your vegetable. This is optional, but it adds beautiful flavors to the rice. Add a little salt and stir everything together to combine. Be careful not to overcook your vegetable. Next, let's check on our rice. Our rice has been cooking very well and is perfect. Now it's time to add our rice. Add the rice gradually. Also, at this point, you can actually add some fried shrimps or liver. Look at how beautiful this rice is and stir everything together. If you did like your fried rice to have a deeper yellow color, you can always add a little more curry powder. Stir everything very well to combine. One thing I love about good fried rice is being able to see all the vegetables. You don't want the rice to completely hide them. Let those beautiful vegetables stand out. Can you already tell me how delicious this fried rice is going to be? Mix everything well until all the vegetables are evenly combined with the rice. Taste and adjust seasoning if need be. And just like that, you've made yourself the delicious homemade fried rice. Look at how colorful this rice is. Every spoon is packed with flavor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.